Need to remove Zoom from your computer. Whether you're troubleshooting an issue, reinstalling the app, or simply no longer need it, uninstalling Zoom is a quick process. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to uninstall Zoom in 2026. So let's get started. First, make sure Zoom isn't running. Close any active meetings, then click the exit button in Zoom. Closing the app first helps prevent uninstall errors. Next, open the Windows Settings app and go to Apps, then select Installed Apps. On some versions of Windows, this section may simply be called Apps and Features. Yeah, this is where you can manage the software installed on your computer. Use the search box or scroll through the list until you find Zoom Workplace. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct application before continuing. Click the three-dot menu next to Zoom Workplace, then choose Uninstall. When Windows asks you to confirm, click Uninstall again. The removal process usually finishes within a minute. Wait while Windows removes Zoom from your computer. Once the process finishes, the application will no longer appear in your installed apps list. If you're planning to reinstall Zoom later, you can always download the latest version from the official website. Finally, restart your computer if prompted. A restart helps complete the removal process and clears any files that were still in use. So Zoom has now been successfully removed from your computer, and that's how to uninstall Zoom. Whether you're reinstalling the application or simply freeing up space, removing Zoom only takes a few minutes. If you ever need it again, you can always download the latest version from the official Zoom website. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.